Get ready to create swipe-tastic masterpieces with your Purple Ladybug Squeegee Art Kit. Squeeze, swipe, and see your artwork come to life. It's so much fun. Wipe into action. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you need to start creating. 12 pre-printed art sheets, 10 colorful paint tubes, 4 sticker sheets, 4 blank art sheets, a squeegee, and a tray for easy cleanup. Start by placing a pre-printed art sheet inside your tray. This keeps the paint contained and makes cleanup super easy. Set up your paint tubes, stickers, and squeegee nearby. You can also cover the table with a newspaper or a plastic tablecloth for extra protection. Pick your favorite and look for the gray shapes or dots. That's where the paint goes. Gently squeeze small dabs of paint onto the gray spots and lines. Remember, a little goes a long way. Mix colors, go bold, and have fun with it. Now for the best part, swiping. Hold the squeegee, press it gently but firmly against the paper, and drag it from top to bottom in one smooth motion. Watch your hidden design magically appear as the paint spreads across the page. So satisfying to watch. Let your masterpiece dry completely before decorating. Once dry, use the theme stickers to add extra details. Make it your own with fun, colorful accents. Feeling inspired? Use a blank sheet and paint anywhere you like. Blobs, stripes, or swirls, go wild. Then swipe your squeegee in any direction to create cool effects. Try layering colors for even more fun textures. Wipe your squeegee with a damp paper towel after every swipe. Let your artwork dry before storing or displaying, and clean the tray before starting your next masterpiece. You did it! Snap a photo of your favorite design and tag us for a chance to be featured. We love seeing your creativity in action. Love this kit? Collect all 3 Squeegee Art Kit designs: Princess Unicorn, Animal World, and Bloom and Bugs for even more swiping fun.